Good morning, children. Continuation of exercise 6.5. Listen. Question 1. D and E are points on sides CA and CB respectively of triangle ABC. Right angled at C. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. D and E are, we have a right angled triangle ABC, right angled at C. D and E are points on sides AC and BC respectively. To prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. For that, we join AE. Then join BD. To prove this, join AE, then BD. What is given here? We have a right triangle ABC, right angle at C, D and E are points on AC and BC. Then join AE and BD. Listen, solution. We have a right triangle ABC, right angle at C, also D and E are points on CA and CB respectively. Now join AE and BD. Consider the right triangle ACB. In a right triangle ACB, what is AB square? AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Equation 1. Now consider the right triangle DCE. In a right triangle DCE, what is DE square? DE square is equal to DC square plus EC square. Equation 2. Now we consider the triangle AEC. Now we add these two. What is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2 is equal to AB square plus DE square is equal to AC square plus BC square plus DC square plus EC square. Adding 1 and 2, we get equation 3. Now consider the right triangle AEC. In right triangle AEC, what is AE square? AE square is equal to AC square plus EC square. Equation 4. Now consider the right triangle BDC. In a right triangle BDC, what is the hypotenuse? BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. Equation 5. From here AC square plus EC square. AC square plus EC square is AE square. And BC square plus DC square is BD square. So from 3, 4 and 5. From 3, 4 and 5. AB square plus D square is equal to, first 4 is AC square plus EC square is AE square plus 5 BC square plus CD square. BC square plus CD square is BD square. BD square. What is our AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Hence, proved. Question number 2. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at D such that DB is equal to 3CD. Figure is given. Prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC. First we have a triangle ABC. Perpendicular from A on side BC. This is the perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle. ABC intersects BC at D. Prove that, and also given one condition, DB is equal to 3CD. DB is equal to 3CD. DB is equal to 3CD. Prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus 2BC square. Here what is given here? We have a triangle ABC and AD is the perpendicular from vertex A to side BC. Solution. We have a triangle ABC such that AD perpendicular to BC, the position of D is on BC such that BD is equal to 3CD. First we take the right triangle. Here we have two right triangles. First one in right triangle ADB. ADB. What is AB square? AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Equation 1. Then in right triangle ADC, what is AC square? AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. This is equation 2. Equation 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is AB square minus AC square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square minus of AD square plus CD square equals AD square plus BD square minus AD square minus CD square. AD square cancelled. AB square minus AC square is equal to BD square minus CD square. This is equation 1, 2, 3. Then given one condition BD is equal to 3CD. BD is equal to 3CD. What is BC? From the figure, BC is equal to CD plus BD equals CD plus what is BD or DB is equal to 3CD. So BC is equal to 4CD. Therefore CD is equal to BC by 4. CD is equal to BC by 4. First CD BC by 4 and what is BD? BD is given 3CD. BD is equal to BC minus CD. BC minus CD is BC by 4. Take LCM 4 upon 4 BC minus BC is equal to 3 by 4 BC or 3 BC by 4 is BD. So we find BD and CD. CD is BC by 4 and BD is 3 by 4 BC. Substitute the values in 3. Substitute in 3. Substitute in 3. We get AB square minus AC square is equal to what is BD? BD is 3 by 4 BC whole square minus CD. CD is BC by 4 whole square equals 9 by 16 BC square minus BC square by 16. Take BC square by 16 outside into 9 minus 1 equals BC square by 16 into 8 equals AB square minus AC square is equal to BC 8 by 16 2. BC square by 2. Cross multiplication 2AB square minus 2AC square is equal to BC square. What we have to prove here? Our question to prove that AB square is equal to 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. 2AB square is equal to this goes to right side BC square plus 2AC square. To prove that 2AB square is equal to BC square plus 2AC square. Third question. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD minus 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD minus 1 by 3 BC implies BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. This is the condition. The length BD is equal to BC divided by 3. We have an equilateral triangle ABC. ABC is an equilateral triangle A, B, C. And what about D is a point on side BC. D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Then this is the straight perpendicular AP and join AD. To prove that 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. For that, what is given here, we have an equilateral triangle ABC and D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC and draw AP perpendicular to BC. Solution. This is very important question. We have an equilateral triangle ABC in which D is a point on side BC such that, what is the condition? BD minus 1 by 3 means, BC means BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Now draw AP perpendicular to BC. Also BP is equal to half BC. BP is equal to half of BC. Now we consider, we have two right triangles APB and APD. We consider the two right triangles. First one in right triangle APB. APB. What is the hypotenuse here? AB. AB square is equal to AP square plus BP square. Equation 1. Then in right triangle second ADP or APD. What is AD square? AD square is equal to AP square plus DP square. This is equation 2. From 2, what is AP square? AP square is equal to AD square minus DP square. This is equation 3. Substitute 3 in 1. AB square is equal to AP square is AD square minus DP square then plus BP square. From this we find what is AD square. For finding AD square, this other terms, this is DP square. Bring this DP square and BP square to the left side. AD square is equal to AB square plus DP square minus BP square. AD square we put in the right side and bring this DP square. Left side it is plus DP square and BP square left side it is minus BP square. This is equation 4. Now we have to find the value of DP square and BP square using the given condition. This is equation 4. AD square is equal to AB square plus DP square minus BP square. Again, AD square is equal to AB square plus DP square minus, what is BP? BP is equal to BC by 2 whole square. BC by 2 whole square. Then next we have to find DP. What is DP? DP is equal to BP minus BD. What is BP? BP is BP half BC minus BD is given. BD is equal to, what is the given condition? BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC is given. So BD 1 by 3 BC. BC common, BC into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 equals BC into 6 LCM, 6 by 2 3 minus 6 by 3 2. BC into 1 by 6 is equal to BC divided by 6 is DP. Substitute the values AB square plus DP. DP is BC by 6. BC by 6 whole square minus BC by 2 the whole square equals AB square plus BC square by 36 minus BC square by 4. Take LCM. AB square plus 36 upon BC square. 36 by 4 9. 9 BC square equals AB square plus BC square minus 9 BC square is minus 8 BC square by 36 equals AB square minus, what is 8 by 36? 8 by 36 is 2 by 9. 8 by 36. 4 by 18. 2 by minus 2 by 9 BC square. This is AD square. Then AD square multiplying throughout by 9. 9 AD square is equal to, or we take the LCM. 9 AD square is equal to 9 into AB square minus 9 cancelled 2 BC square. 9 AD square is equal to, but this triangle is equilateral, so 9 AB square minus 2 into this BC also we can write AB square, because AB is equal to BC is equal to SC. So 9 AD square is equal to 9 minus 2 7 AB square. So our answer is, we have to prove that 9 AD square is equal to 7 AD square. Next question. Question number 4. In an equilateral triangle, prove that three times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. In an equilateral triangle, 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times one of its altitude. Here ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle and AD is one of its altitude. We have to prove that 3 times one of its side is, that is 3 times side square is equal to 4 times altitude square. For that, here this ADB, this AD is perpendicular to BC, this angle ADB is right angled triangle. Here what is given? We have an equilateral triangle ABC in which AD perpendicular to BC sends an altitude in an equilateral triangle bisects the corresponding side. Therefore, D is the midpoint. Here listen, in an equilateral triangle, altitude in an equilateral triangle bisects the altitude bisects the corresponding side, that is BD is equal to DC. So D is the midpoint. BD is equal to DC and D is the midpoint. Now we consider in right triangle ADB. ADB. What is AB square? AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square equals AD square plus BD is BC by 2 square. BC by 2 whole square. That is AB square is equal to AD square plus BC square by 4. Multiplying throughout by 4, 4AB square is equal to 4AD square plus BC square. But here AB and the value of AB and BC are equal because ABCD is an equilateral triangle. So 4AB square is equal to 4AD square plus AB square. Bring this AB square to the left side. 4AB square minus AB square is equal to 4AD square. What is 4AB square minus AB square? 3AB square is equal to 4AD square. That means in an equilateral triangle, 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of altitude. Here altitude is AD and one side is AB. So 3 times AB square is equal to 4 times AD square. Homework exercise 6.5, 9, 10. Thank you.